Drive Tesla reports SpaceX is expanding its retail strategy by introducing Starlink satellite internet kits at Target. From late April 2024, the V4 Starlink dish is available on Target's website for $599, aligning with SpaceX's standard pricing. This move follows SpaceX's strategy of retailing through major outlets like Best Buy, Home Depot, and Costco in the US and Canada. However, Target is setting itself apart by offering the V4 dish exclusively online, coupled with benefits such as free shipping and a 30-day return policy. In a notable promotional push, SpaceX has unveiled a $1 for 30 days trial offer in the US, Australia, and New Zealand, aimed at lowering the entry barrier for new subscribers. This allows customers to start using Starlink by paying just $1 upfront, with the remaining $599 due 30 days after activation. As of March 2024, Starlink boasts over 2.6 million subscribers globally, with a significant growth of 600,000 subscribers in the preceding 5 months, highlighting a rapid adoption rate. You are listening to Yuan News.